Hello students, I am going to continue with the chapter differentiation of 12th standard. Exercise 1.3, question number 4. Actually these examples in question number 4, all the examples are the combination of the logarithmic derivatives as well as the implicit functions. So the examples we are going to solve using the logarithmic concepts as well as the implicit functions concept. So the question is question number 4, the first example. So show that the dy by dx is equals to y upon x in the following where a and p are the constants. So in question number 4, for all the examples, the question is we have to show that is the derivative of this example is y upon x and a and p are the constants. So x raised to 7 and into y raised to 5 is equals to x plus y raised to 12. So see there are the number of functions are there and also having the power, so we use the taking log on both sides. So log of x raised to 7 into y raised to 5 is equals to log of x plus y raised to 12. इस एग्जाम्पल्स में अब हमें पता है कि हमारा आंसर क्या आने वाला है, क्योंकि क्या आना चाहिए. सो डी वाई बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू वाई अपॉन एक्स, ये हमारा आंसर आना चाहिए. ऑल एग्जाम्पल्स का आंसर वही होगा. सो हमने लॉग लिया दोनों साइड से. नाउ सिंस देयर इज अ मल्टीप्लिकेशन यू हैव टू टेक द एडिशन ऑफ द लॉग. सो लॉग ऑफ एक्स रेज टू 7 प्लस लॉग ऑफ वाई रेज टू 5. यहाँ पे जो पावर है वो लॉग के आगे आएगा. सो 12 log of x plus y. Now again we taking the powers in front of the log. So 7 log of x plus 5 log of y is equals to 12 log in bracket x plus y. Now it gets simplified. Now we are going to take the derivative. So differentiating with respect to x will get, so 7, the derivative of log x is 1 by x plus 5 into 1 upon y, the derivative of log y. Actually it is, we consider it is as a x, and using the formula of log x, that is 1 upon x. So instead of writing y we write x, we write here y, and into the derivative of y, that is dy by dx, plus ये जो टोटल x प्लस y है, ये जो टोटल ब्रैकेट हमने x करके कंसिडर किया है. सो 12 log x का डेरिवेटिव रहता है 1 अपॉन x. सो वी राइट 1 अपॉन x प्लस y into derivative of this bracket. So what is the derivative of x? It is 1, and the derivative of y is dy by dx. Now 7 upon x plus 5 upon y dy by dx is equals to 12 upon x plus y plus ये जो 12 अपॉन, एक्चुअली जो 12 अपॉन एक्स प्लस वाई, ये ब्रैकेट को मल्टीप्लाई करके मैंने डायरेक्ट आंसर लिखा है. सो 12 अपॉन एक्स प्लस वाई यहाँ पे 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करेगा. सो हमारा आंसर आएगा 12 अपॉन एक्स प्लस वाई, और सेम dy by dx को मल्टीप्लाई करेगा. सो विल गेट 12 upon x plus y into dy by dx. Now moving the dy by dx on one side. So यहाँ का 12 upon x plus y dy by dx ऐसे ही रहेगा. ये जो है वो यहाँ पे आएगा, तो माइनस y upon 5 upon y dy by dx. And now we are moving x 7 upon x and this term, that is 12 upon x plus y on left side. Now we are taking the common as a dy by dx, we take common. So in bracket we will get 12 upon x plus y minus 5 upon y. Now we are going to, यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है, now we are going to open or taking the LCM of this bracket. So x into x plus y is the LCM. Now taking cross, so 7x plus 7y, I write the direct answer, and यहाँ पे minus 12x upon x into x plus y. Similarly here LCM is y into x plus y, taking cross, so 12y minus 5x and minus, because plus minus minus, so minus 5y, and dy by dx is as it is. Now see the similar terms, that is 7x minus 12x, so we will get here minus 5x, and this 7y is as it is. और यहाँ पे 12y minus 5y, that is 7y minus 5x, denominator is as it is, that is x into x plus y, यहाँ पे y into x plus y dy by dx. Now we are moving this term to left side, so it will get inversed. So 7y minus 5x upon x into x plus y into ये जो यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में है वो यहाँ पे आके न्यूमरेटर में आएगा. सो y इंटू एक्स प्लस वाई अपॉन 7y माइनस 5x. सो दिस टर्म कैंसिल विद दिस टर्म, x plus y cancel with this x plus y, and so the answer is dy by dx is equals to y upon x. हर एक आंसर हर एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर हमें y अपॉन एक्स ही आना चाहिए, बिकॉज हमारा क्वेश्चन ही ऐसा है, दैट इज शो दैट dy बाय dx इज इक्वल टू y अपॉन एक्स. Now the second example is same that of the first one, so you can solve it. I'm going to solve the question number 3rd. So sec x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5 is equals to a square. Remember that in all these examples a and p are the constants. So we're moving this sec to this side, so it will become sec inverse a square, x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5. Now this total term get constant, so for this term we take another letter as a constant, so we taking p as sec inverse of a square. So यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है, that is we taking p is equals to sec inverse a square. That means sec inverse a square के लिए हमने p एक constant नया लिया है. What is p? p is a constant. So ये दो letters लेने के बजाय मैंने एक ही लिया है, that is p. Now we moving these terms to this side, so it will get multiplied with this p. So numerator is as it is, x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5. Now this will get multiplied with p, so x raised to 5p and यहाँ पे minus y raised to 5p, taking cross multiplication. Now we moving all y terms to one side and x terms to x side. So यहाँ पे y raised to 5 है, so यहाँ की जो y वाली टर्म है मैंने लेफ्ट साइड को लिए, so plus p y raised to 5, यहाँ पे p x raised to 5 as it is and this x will becomes minus x raised to 5. Now all y terms are on one side and all x terms are on another side. So यहाँ से मैंने p y raised to 5 कॉमन निकाला है, in bracket 1 plus p. यहाँ पे x raised to 5 is common, in bracket p minus 1. So y raised to 5 we putting as it is and this will become this will get in the denominators x raised to 5. यहाँ पे p minus 1 है, ये 1 plus p हम p plus 1 करके भी लिख सकते हैं. Again there are the constants, because you know that is a and p are the constants. So for this both the constants we taking another one constant, that is c. So यहाँ पे हमें लिखना है c is equals to p minus 1 upon p plus 1 where c is the constant. मतलब हमने दो बार यहाँ पे constant ली है, that is first time यहाँ पे p और यहाँ पे c. And now we taking this both having the same power, so we putting bracket and power for one time, that is y upon x raised to 5 is equals to c. Since there is a fifth power, so we taking the fifth root of both sides, taking fifth root of both sides. So after taking the fifth root we get, that is y upon x is equals to fifth root of c. Now differentiating with respect to x, so we'll get, since there is a division, so you have to use the u upon v rule. So x square x into dy by dx, that is the derivative of y, minus y into derivative of x, that is 1, and ये constant है, so the derivative of constant is 0. Now we moving this x square to this side, so will become 0. So x into dy by dx minus y is equals to 0. So x into dy by dx is equals to y, and so dy by dx is equals to y upon x. So this is all about the example number 3. Now see the question number 4. So question number 4 is same that of the 3. क्या करना है, so यहाँ पे जो tan inverse है यहाँ पे आके वो tan होगा, so tan a square, total it will be the constant and you have to solve by the same method as that of the 3. Now see the fifth one, it is also same that of this third and fourth. Just I am going to solve. So cos inverse है, यहाँ पे आके वो cos होगा, so cos of tan inverse a. So you know that is a is constant, so total quantity becomes constant, and so cos and this constant, this already become a constant, and so for this we take a constant, that is p. So p is equals to cos tan inverse a and p is the constant, and this quantity is as it is. Now we are moving this quantity to this side, so we will get here 7x raised to 4 plus 5y raised to 4. It will multiply with this p, so we will get 7x raised to 4p minus 5y raised to 4 into p. Now see again we moving the y on one side and x on one side, so 5y raised to 4 plus ये जो y है यहाँ पे आएगा, सो प्लस 5y रेस टू 4p एंड 7x रेस टू 4p एंड ये जो है वो यहाँ पे आएगा माइनस होगा, सो 7x रेस टू 4. सो यहाँ से हमने 5y रेस टू 4 हमने कॉमन लिया है, सो इन ब्रैकेट विल गेट 1 प्लस p एंड यहाँ से हमने 7x रेस टू 4 कॉमन लिया है, सो इन ब्रैकेट विल गेट p माइनस 1. सो 5y रेस टू 4 अपॉन 7x रेस टू 4. एक्चुअली ये 5 में यहाँ से रिमूव करती हूँ, एक डायरेक्ट स्टेप मैंने किया है. सो y रेस टू 4 अपॉन x रेस टू 4, ये जो 5 है यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई किया, मतलब यहाँ पे जाके वो डिवाइड होगा और ये 7 यहाँ पे रहेगा. सो इन बिटवीन देयर इज इक्वल टू साइन. सो वी गेट हियर 7 अपॉन 5 एंड दिस p माइनस 1 एज इट इज एंड यहाँ का p प्लस 1. एंड फॉर दिस ऑल ब्रैकेट सिंस इट इज अ कॉन्स्टेंट वी टेक अ one more letter, that is c. So c that is c क्या है, that is 7 upon 5 p minus 1 upon p plus 1 is a constant, c is a constant. So यहाँ पे balance क्या है, that is y raised to 4 upon x raised to 4. Powers are same, so we put in one bracket, that is y upon x, x bracket raised to 4 is equals to c. Now taking, since there is a fourth power, we are taking the fourth root of both sides. So y upon x is equals to fourth root of c. Now differentiating with respect to x, that is same formula we have to apply, that is y upon u upon v. So x square, denominator का square, x into derivative of y minus y into derivative of x. So derivative of x is 1 is equals to 0. So constant का derivative है 0. So x divided by dx minus y, because ये यहाँ पे जाके 0 होगा, minus y is equals to 0. So x divided by dx is equals to y, and so dy by dx is equals to y upon x. So all examples having the same method, so you can solve the example number 6 also by the same method. So just see the example number 6. Now there is a log. So log x raised to 20 minus y raised to 20 upon x raised to 20 plus y raised to 20 is equals to 20. Now we are moving this log to this side, so it becomes anti-log. So anti-log of 20. So this total is a constant. For this constant we take one letter, that is p. So p is equals to anti-log 20 and p is the constant. And the remaining method or remaining steps we can solve as that of the 5. So see, हमने 5 एग्जाम्पल में क्या किया था. Now you get multiply with this one. Similarly यहाँ पे you get multiply with this one and you can solve the remaining steps as like this question number 5. So we start with the question number 7. So e raised to x raised to 7 minus y raised to 7 upon x raised to 7 plus y raised to 7. ये total जो है वो e raised to है is equals to a. So it's a logarithmic function. Sorry, we have to convert it into logarithmic function. So आपको ये पता है, that is हम कैसे लिखते थे, that is log of b to the base a is equals to 2. तो हम इसको कैसे लिखेंगे, that is a raised to 2 is equals to b. वैसे हम इसको लिखेंगे. So log of a to the base e is equals to this part. Power is on the right side. So यहाँ पे log a to the base e. a is a constant, मतलब ये total quantity constant है. So x raised to 7 minus y raised to 7 upon x raised to 7 plus y raised to 7 is equals to p. We considering this total quantity as a constant and we are applying one more letter for this one. So p is equals to log of a to the base e is a constant, and so p we consider as a constant. Now moving all these quantities to this side. So x raised to 7 minus y raised to 7 is equals to x raised to 7p plus y raised to 7p. Now we are moving all x on one side and on y on one side. So x raised to 7 as it is minus p into x raised to 7 is equals to पी वाई रेस टू 7 प्लस ये माइनस है, यहाँ पे आके वो प्लस होगा. नाउ x रेस टू 7 इन ब्रैकेट 1 माइनस पी एंड यहाँ पे y raised to 7 we taking common, and so in bracket we'll get p plus 1 और 1 plus p. so यहाँ पे 1 minus p है, यहाँ का हम 1 plus p यहाँ पे आएंगे लेके आएंगे, so 1 plus p. so y raised to 7 is as it is upon x raised to 7. now we taking one letter that is constant for this bracket because these are the constants, so we putting c is equals to 1 minus p upon 1 plus p, and c is the constant. so y upon x we putting one bracket for this one, and since the power is 7 we taking the 7th root of both sides. so यहाँ पे हमें आएगा that is y upon x is equals to 7th root of c, and now we taking the derivative of both sides. so यहाँ पे u upon v rule applicable होगा, so x square x into dy by dx minus y into 1. so the derivative of this one is the 0, and this part is the same that of these first two 6 examples. so x dy by dx, this part will become 0, minus y is equals to 0, and we moving this y to this side, so dy by dx is equals to y, and this x is multiplying here, it gets divided, so dy by dx is equals to y upon x. so in all examples we show that is dy by dx is equals to y upon x. and now the question number 8 is also similar to that of the example number 7. so just I am going to give some hints to you. so यहाँ पे क्या होगा, ये साइन जो है वो यहाँ पे आ गया, सो साइन इनवर्स ए क्यूब, यहाँ पे आप इसको p कंसिडर करोगे, and p means what, that is p is nothing but the sin inverse a cube, and so p is the constant. now we moving these terms to this side, taking multiplication. now we moving after that x to one side and all y terms to y, right sides, and after taking the common you will get the answer. so this is all about the question number 4 of exercise 1.3, and question number 5 we'll see in the next lecture. Thank you.